The Rack Shop is proud to present this 2020 through 2024 Mercedes-Benz GLS with raised rails. We've just installed the Yakima JetStream TimberLine base roof rack system. This is using the 60-inch long JetStream load bars, black shown here, but silver is also available, and the TimberLine towers, which come in a set of 4. Locks are available as an additional accessory, but are not required. Overall, you have a weight carrying capacity of 165 pounds evenly distributed, and crossbars can be mounted in a variable spread. So overall, a great rack system for different types of gear and accessories, whether it's bikes, kayaks, cargo, etc. So this has just been a quick walk around for this vehicle. For more details, pictures, or to purchase this complete system with a couple clicks, please visit the link in the description below. That's going to be it for this one. But like always, thanks for watching.